Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, we're going to show you the Dino Strike. It's a 5 surprise egg. It's an unbox and battle surprise dinos. We're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. All right, thanks for joining the show today. This is super cool. Did you wave to your friends out there? So I wonder what kind of surprise is going to be in here.
We can do it.
We can do it. Yes, we can. Who says that? Is it Bob the Builder?
Mm-hmm.
You use your mouth to help you?
Yeah.
Hello, Kitty. A kitty wants to know what's in this surprise, too.
Ah! Hey.
Oh, that is super cool, Lucas.
3, 4, 5.
There's 5 surprises. I wonder what's going to be in the surprise. All you do is grab one of these edges right here and then pull up.
Oh.
What is it?
The piece.
It's a leg. They just gave us legs?
No. You have to.
I wonder what these legs are. Do you think they're the legs of a...
Dinosaur.
Well, what kind of dinosaur?
Here's more pieces.
We got it. Are you kidding me? This might be the T-Rex. Look at that. I love the head.
Wow.
What do you call these things?
Construction.
Constructions. We got to take a look at the constructions. Look at all these cool ones that you can get. Oh, wow. There's all kinds of different ones. All right. We put the head on that part there and the legs, tail, and then the battle gear. Hi, Kitty. Hello. Can you please put my legs on? This was really cool. I was thinking that it was going to be a small dinosaur, but you can put it together to make a big one. You might need your dad to put these together. They're a little tight. I got to put the arms on.
Yeah.
They got little arms. Are you ready to open up the other surprise egg?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Wait, I got one.
Another 5 surprises.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, are you ready to battle yet?
Nah, I'm not found. Hey,
this one, what color is this?
green.
Green. We got a green one. Oh, it looks like a raptor. Look at that.
Yeah. 2.
I'm ready to battle, but I need the rest of my body. Put the leg on here.
Look, I got the armor.
Armor. I got the armor. I'll be back.
You go. I can shoot you with a powerful missile.
Hey, check out our Dino Strike dinos. We'll have a link down below where you can find these on Amazon. These are super cool surprises. We're going to have a lot of fun battling. So it's so cool because you can take different missiles and different things and interchange with the different dinosaurs. And they have such a cool collection of other dinosaurs out there. And you're hoping to get what? The
Pteranodon.
The Pteranodon. And I wouldn't mind the Stegosaurus. And they are so cool. They're so fun to play with when you put them together. They are so fun in the hands.
I can even put these 2 on here and put this one on here.
Yeah, you can put those missiles, all those missiles right there, he can put on this T-Rex.
Yeah.
They are so awesome to play with.
Let me show you how I change it.
All right.
And
this right here, if you want to make a background, all I did is I took 2 pieces of paper, I drew some volcanoes right here, then I taped it on a board to make it look like it is back in prehistoric time, and I made even a volcano. And didn't take much to make this little backdrop. It just makes it kind of fun to play with. with your cool new dinosaurs.
Have a dynamite day.
That's right. Have a dynamite day. Bye-bye. Adios.